In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members or guests into your Slack workspaces. If you're managing a team or collaborating with partners, being able to incorporate more members effectively into your workspace is key to ensuring smooth communication. Let's dive right in and go through each step to make sure you're equipped with everything you need. First things first, begin on the Slack homepage. Here, you'll want to navigate to the workspace you're intending to manage. This is your base of operations for everything that happens on Slack. Once you're on the homepage, look for your workspace name or logo. Clicking on this will take you directly to the specific workspace you're handling. This sets the stage for our next steps. Now that you're in your chosen workspace, locate the Invite People option. Selecting this will open up options for you to begin the invitation process. It's your gateway to adding any new members or guests, which is crucial for expanding your team or inviting collaborators. Next, Slack will prompt you to choose the name or email of the person you wish to invite. If they're already in your contact list, simply clicking on their name will suffice. Otherwise, you'll need to type in the email address of the new member or guest. Moving forward, you'll be given two choices: add them as a member, which grants them full access to most features, or invite them as a guest. Just remember, adding a guest does require a pro subscription. Guests typically have access only to selected channels, which is ideal for temporary collaborations. If you're coordinating with external contacts from another company, you might need to utilize Slack Connect for these external partnerships. This is again something reserved for those with the right subscription setup. Once you've decided on the level of access, it's time to choose the channels they'll be part of. Use the Search Channels feature to find and select the specific channels where your new member or guest will be most active. This step is crucial as it keeps them informed and engaged in relevant conversations. Before wrapping up, consider the message you'd like to send along with the invite. Begin typing it into the provided field. This message could be a simple greeting or an overview of the next steps. Once satisfied with your message, hit send to officially dispatch the invite. If you're planning on inviting more individuals, make use of the invite more people option to repeat the process as necessary. Just be sure to select whether they'll be a regular member or if Slack Connect is needed for further collaboration, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently add members and guests, ensuring a seamless onboarding process into your Slack workspace. Best of luck managing your team, and thank you for joining us today.